Is your dessert so boring it's left your family snoring? Not anymore. Introducing the original Chocolate Factory, the fun, easy way to turn ordinary into extraordinary desserts. Just place in store-bought chocolate, select your favorite treat, then simply dip it, dunk it, fill it, or pour it. Look, regular pots burn chocolate, but Chocolate Factory's double boiler is 2 pans in 1. The bottom simmers water while the top quickly melts chocolate into a smooth and creamy sensation. Chocolate Factory includes this dipping spoon, perfect for nuts, candies, or succulent strawberries. This dipping fork, ideal for pretzels, bananas, or mouth-watering macaroons. And the kids will love this. Just fill the designer mold and presto! Snowmen during the holidays, dark chocolate flowers for a bridal shower, American flags on the 4th of July. Even teddy bears and fancy seashells are yours. And watch, place in these sticks, and in no time you've got a lovely heart-shaped lollipop. Or treat your house guest to a gourmet mixing spoon. The Chocolate Factory comes with 25 clear wraps and 25 ties to create the ultimate gift basket. You also get this perfect pour bottle to write your name on a cake, neatly fill a mold, or decorate a dessert plate. This dip and pour ladle to drizzle chocolate on a cake, easily top an ice cream sundae, or create tasty caramel turtles. Chocolate Factory is also great for caramel, fudge, or cheese fondue. Look, this costs $55 at the store, but with the Chocolate Factory, you can make your own for a fraction of the price. Call now and receive the complete Chocolate Factory kit with this dipping dessert guide. That's over 85 pieces for only $19.95. And here's a bonus, 2 deep chocolate cup molds. Make a peanut butter surprise. Fill them with fruits, candies, or chocolate mousse. Yours free. It's a $60 value, all yours for just $19.95. So call now.
Call 1-800-592-3388 and order the Chocolate Factory for $19.95. Reward yourself with tempting chocolate creations. Call now 1-800-592-3388.
Party's over, Monarch. It's time I shut down this little tree fort of yours.
Brock Sampson. I will get you, Brock Sampson!
How long can you live if you're not hooked up to him?
Oh, I don't know, a couple hours maybe. But they'd be very...
Help the guy! I gotta go take care of something.
Go, Team Venture!